Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I received a comment on my previous video, Fatip Open Comb Slant Bar Razor Shave and Review, and the comment was from Bionicycle. They said, wow, a feather blade in an open comb slant bar for a first-time shave? Brave or crazy? LOL. Hey, speaking of crazy, what is up with Williams Mug Soap? I saw a single puck of it going for nearly $11 yesterday on eBay. And most places I looked, like Walmart and Amazon, didn't have any of it at all. Did they finally discontinue it? They had been threatening to do that since about 2014 or so. Just curious. Enjoyed the video. William C., Central Indiana. Well, William, let's elaborate on that a little bit. Williams, the original mug shaving soap. Here it is. We sell it. I should say we used to sell it. And I noticed that something was up when people were buying 10 and 15 at a time. So I did a little research and I discovered that, I'll tell you in a few minutes. Let's give you some background on the soap. The original mug soap, a lasting lather since 1840. So it's been around since 1840. That's 182 years. That's really a long time. Our country is only 246 years old. Williams Mug Shaving Soap has been around for 182 of those. That's crazy. In 1840, James B. Williams manufactured the first shaving soap for use in shaving mugs. Today, Williams Mug Shaving Soap is still #1 because it lathers quickly and the lather lasts. Shaving tips. Don't spare the hot water. Any mug will do. You can even use your hand. Use circular motions to brush up a thick lather. Use a sharp blade. Rinse with cool water, towel dry. Then finish with an aftershave such as Aquavelva. I'm guessing they may own Aquavelva as well, so you got to push that too. So that gives you some background on the soap. Let's go around the box on the soap. Williams Mug Shaving Soap since 1840 for a lasting lather. The puck, 1.75 ounces or 50 grams. Let's look at it. On the side, use hot water and a good quality brush for a luxurious whisker softening lather. Leave skin feeling smooth and soft. Right there. On the other side, does not dry on your face, but leaves skin soft and smooth. I'll read you the ingredients. Contents: potassium stearate, sodium tallowate, sodium cocoate, water, glycerin, fragrance, sodium chloride, titanium dioxide, stearic acid, pentasodium pentatate, tetrasodium etidronate. May also contain sodium palm kernelate. I'm not sure that all of those are good for you, but whatever. That's why the soap was cheap, right? People liked it because it was cheap. A couple bucks, you could buy the puck. Now it's going for 11 to, I searched, even up to $30 for a puck. So it's kind of ridiculous. The company that manufactures it's called Combe Incorporated, White Plains, New York. Combe, C-O-M-B-E, or Comb, if that E is silent, I'm not sure. Anyway, questions with the phone number. I won't give out the phone number, but the website is williamsmugsoap.com. So that's all the way around the box. On the back side, same as the front. Williams Mug Shaving Soap since 1840 for a long-lasting lather, 1.75 ounce puck. Let's look at the puck itself. I like the way it looks. It says Williams Mug Shaving Soap. It's actually engraved right into the puck. Flat on the back side of the puck, but engraved into the other side is Williams Mug Shaving Soap with a picture of an old-fashioned mug and brush. And the last thing I will read to you is if you send them a message on their website asking what's happened to the product, is it still available, this is the response that you'll get from Combe, C-O-M-B-E. Thank you for contacting us regarding Williams Mug Soap. We are sorry to inform you that it has been discontinued. Cue taps right here. You can start playing taps right now. Very sad that something that old has fallen by the wayside. Hopefully somebody may resurrect it and bring it back. Any companies out there, get that formula and bring back the soap. People love it because it's cheap and it works well and it's slippery and it brushes up, lathers up good with a brush or you can face lather it. As they said any mug will do. You can even use your hand. So what I thought I would do, as a farewell to Williams Mug Shaving Soap on this very sad day, I'll perform a shave with the Williams mug. I'll use my slant bar, my Merkur slant bar razor, 37C, load it up with a feather blade and the Shave Nation Patriot shaving brush. And we're going to finish up with the wide stick alum block and another American original classic, the Clubman Aftershave Lotion. Now on this bottle it says since 1810, so we got a couple of classics here. 1810, 1840. Couple of classics. I thought I'll do it a little different. I will not lather it up inside the mug. I'm going to take it out of the mug and use it kind of like a shaving stick and then brush it, creating the lather that way. So I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. Leaving hands wet, face wet. Okay, it didn't want to come out of there, but you know, sometimes you have to use a little force. I'm just going to take this and wet it under the hot water. Use it like a stick. It's very slippery. It's even hard to hold on to. Just going to rub it right on. So you can see, actually see the puck instead of having it in the bowl. Same way you use a shaving stick, like this. Wet the beard, rub it in. Set that down. I have to rinse the fingers because it's super slippery. Wet the brush under the warm water. Shake out the water, commence to lathering. Add water to the brush as you go along. As they said, don't be shy with the water. Drive it right into the beard. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Let's clear the runway so we can see the sideburns. Temper the razor under the cold water. All right, here we go. Q-taps right now, the final shave with Williams Mug Shaving Soap. And a fresh feather blade. And the Merkur 37C. Nice aggressive shaving razor. One side filled, flip it over. Both sides filled, rinse that. Left side. No problem removing my beard growth. Excellent. Rinse that. Now the mustache. Very good. Rinse that. A slight rinse to the face. You can still feel the slickness still on the face. I could actually perform another pass without relathering, but I prefer more lather. A little bit of warm water. Just warm it up. Figure 8. Just a thin coating this time for the second pass. Clear the runways again. Across the grain. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across under the mustache. Clean up. Skim the cheeks. Still very slick. We will skim the cheeks. No scraping like this, just skimming. Lay it flat, and once it catches, that's your sweet spot. Other side. Baby smooth. That gets you super baby smooth right there. Still slick on the face from the shaving cream. Very slippery. Rinse the razor, then a cold water rinse on the face. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, just glide that all about all the areas you shaved. Seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. It's an astringent, so you may get a little bit of stinging if you went too close. It's a natural product, it comes from the earth. Excellent finish to the shave. Cap it off, set it to the side. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, let's crack open our Clubman. Classic aftershave. Oh yeah, takes you back. When you were a kid, go to the barbershop with your dad, get a lollipop and some talcum powder on the back of the neck and some Clubman. All right, so that's my shave. Williams Mug Shaving Soap since 1840. Farewell. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.